Good morning. Today is Friday, February 14th, 2025. We are here at Volano Beach, and this is a before video of a pile inspection. This is one of your more shallow piles that we would need to be wrapping. It does have a bumper on it. It looks like 2 out of the 14 that we would need to wrap, or at least wrap or have some type of attention to. 2 of which have these bumpers that you've also included that we will be able to, if need be, take off. But let's go ahead and check it out. So they are heavily fouled. We're going to go ahead and clean them all up and see how good they are, and then we'll get a video of all of them afterwards.